I'm not sure if I'm supposed to have an electric mixer to do this, but I don't have one. Fifi, did you get a little bit of flour on your pants? They don't look professional.
Hoće li prst biti gori ili će biti vaki?
Dobar dan svima, dobrodošli u naš kanal.
Dobar dan!
Danas ćemo napraviti makonjaču, ali nećemo zajedno, nego odvojeno. Ja ću raditi svoj, i baka će raditi svoju. I onda ćemo vidjeti tko radi bolju makonjaču. Jel tako?
Može.
A ko će biti bolje?
A vidit ćemo, ne mogu.
Mislim da baka će biti. I onda na kraju svi će isprobati, i moju i bakinu, i onda će dati neku ocjenu, ali neće znati tko je radio koju.
Kad tamo ocjenjivaju, ne znaš ko je. Ko je čije.
Tako da. Mislim da Olivia će pomoći i mami i baki.
Nadamo se fair play.
Da.
Takmičenju.
I neka najbolje kolač pobjedi.
A šta cure nagrada?
Nismo
još ništa dogovorili.
Tečaj engleskog za baku.
I hrvatski za meni. Sretno, baka.
Poljubite se.
Okay, so I've never ever made this before. My very first attempt, Baka always makes it, and so she's already a pro. I don't know if I can compete with her, but I'm gonna try, and I have Olivia's help, so that is definitely going to give us a little bit of an edge, I think. I'm following the recipe from this book, Croatian Desserts, written by Andrea Pisac, and she has some really amazing dessert recipes in here. Everything is in English here. It's so nicely printed out with pictures of each step. It's just an amazing, amazing book. You can buy it online. She ships worldwide. I'll leave a link in the description below where you can get it. She said that this is foolproof. I'm putting all my trust in this book, Andrea. Let's go. Okay, so first is preparing the yeast sponge. So let's get going on that. Now we're gonna put in the yeast and add some sugar and some flour and 1/3 of a cup of warm milk.
I'm so excited to make this.
In another bowl, we're going to put together the rest of the ingredients for the dough. Sophie's got her own little creation going on over there, so we'll just see how that turns out. Fifi, did you get a little bit of flour on your pants? Did you get a little bit of flour on your pants? Oh, did you pour it in there? Good job. Okay, now give it to Mommy. Mommy needs that now too. Thank you. Okay. Hold it here. Just get it a little bit on your hand. Just like a little bit on your hand first.
With only one stop.
Yep, that's good.
I poured it.
Perfectly. Put it in. And now we're going to rub the butter and we're going to get our hands dirty, Oli.
I love to get my hands dirty.
All right, let's do that.
Dirty hands.
You like to get your hands dirty too? Okay, let's do it, girls.
I don't know how.
Then rub the butter in until you get a crumbly mixture. Okay, crumble it, mix it, crumble it up. Good, cool. You want some butter too? Is this fun to make it together?
Yes.
I love you.
I love you.
I think everything's going to plan so far. It seems to be going pretty smoothly. The steps are really easy to follow. So I'm just hoping that this is foolproof, which Andrea told me it's foolproof, that I'll be able to do it no problem. And so far it's going pretty smoothly. So we shall see as the steps continue.
Baka, jesi dobila novog pomagača?
Je. On ti boli jako, on ti boli kuha.
Voliš svoju bakicu, a?
To je moj kuvar. Vidiš ko?
Kameru reci.
Sad idemo jajca.
Tako je.
Malo
Jedan ili dva?
4, pa ćemo
I onda
čekati.
2, i onda 3, i onda 4.
Ali samo žumanca.
Pa ovo je.
Ali moramo ovako. Pokupimo, ima jaja. Evo, tamo
Šta si napravila?
Ja sam razbio jaje.
If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really helps our channel grow. And subscribe to our channel for more videos all about Croatia. Join us, we'd love to have you. Okay, now we are going to make the filling, the mak, the poppy seed filling. So we're gonna whisk together, it says, the poppy seed filling with the powdered sugar. Now we're going to separate 3 eggs. We're going to keep the yolks for the dough and then use the whites for this filling. So now I'm going to attempt to beat the egg whites by hand. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to have an electric mixer to do this, but I don't have one, so I'm just doing it the old-fashioned way. What do you think? Is that going to be enough? It looks like in this picture that it should be a bit harder. Oh yeah! I think I've like managed to get the same consistency with my hand.
Good job, sweetie.
What do you think? Really? Look it.
Oh, that's good.
Emma. Oh, that was a workout. Okay. Beat the egg whites and gently fold them in. Thank you, sweetie pie. All right, all good. All good. Now we're gonna mix in these egg whites, okay? Gently fold them in, it said. So I'm gonna gently fold them in. Okay, the yeast sponge is ready, and now we're gonna add it to the flour mix and get our dough ready. Is that cool?
Yuck, it smells gross.
It doesn't smell good. I mean, I think it looks like it should. So that's good. High five. So in goes the yeast sponge and the egg yolks. Now we are going to mix it
I want to like what
with your hands. Okay, go for it, girl. Just mix it all together. Who's gonna win?
Papa or mama?
Mama.
What about you? What do you think? Who will win?
Mama.
This is Mommy's very, very, very first time making this. Mommy's never made this before. So Baka definitely has an advantage because she is an expert already at this. She's been making it for I don't know how many years.
I kako je tijesto? Dobro, dobro je, dobro će biti. Samo ga moram još malo da, znaš da ovo izjednači se. Viš samo, lipo će biti. Dobro sam ga, viš, sve mi je otpalo sa ovim. Možda bi još sad ćemo staviti jednu krpicu. Evo. I onda nek se odmara. Sad je drugo sve lakše. Jako sam zadovoljna, ali to ćemo vidjeti kad budemo razvačili.
A šta Dida sada radi dokle ti...
Dida čeka i onda će pitati kad je gotovo, moramo li odmah?
That looks better, right? Good? Okay, now we have to cover it with the cloth. Okay, now we're gonna cover it. Fifi, what are you doing, sweetie pie? Are you taking my dough? Are you taking my dough?
Yeah.
Are you stealing my dough?
Yeah.
You silly.
I done my dough.
You silly girl. Okay, we're gonna let this sit up here. For
Baka ready for 5 minutes and let it sit.
She already let it sit for 5 minutes already? Okay, well then we're just slightly behind her, not too much. Did you just say she already warmed up her oven?
No.
Oh, I thought you said she already warmed up her oven because I'm not even close to that. Okay, well I'm still waiting for the dough to sit. I'm just gonna clean up the kitchen quickly because we're gonna need this table to roll out the dough. This is a disaster and we're gonna clean it all up. My little helper, she loves vacuuming.
Da.
Ovako. O, imam dovoljno. Nisam ja ovakove velike, ali... Evo, bit će odmah. Evo, i sad idemo drugu.
Okay, it's been an hour. We're gonna get the dough now, and then we're gonna roll out 3 rolls, 3 big squares to make 3 different rolls of makonjača. This girl just had some yogurt.
And she got mustache.
Do you have a yogurt mustache? Do you have a yogurt mustache?
That's in her face.
I know, it's beautiful. There we go. Oh my goodness, it got bigger. Seems nice and light and fluffy now, so we're gonna separate it to 3 balls. All right, here's 1. I think that looks pretty good. Just doing it kind of approximately. I'm not weighing out each ball, but I think this will be okay. Okay. She said to make it as rectangular as possible so that you don't lose much on the ends. So I'm gonna try to make it a little bit more rectangular. It's rolling out really nicely. I'm very surprised with this because I wasn't sure how the dough would turn out, but it's really rolling out nicely, so I'm happy. So I'm gonna spread this mak on and roll up this dough. So here goes nothing. Okay, I think that's it. One roll is done. It doesn't look too bad. It kind of came out at the end, so I'm not going to go so close to the ends this time with the poppy seed. But it looks pretty good. I'm kind of impressed. Now I'm going to do the same thing with the other 2 balls of dough and make 2 more makonnice rolls. Okay, so covering them back with the towel again, and we got to let them sit for 1 hour. That's that. The hard part's done. And now, waiting, baking, and eating is all that's left, and judging. Whose will be best?
Jel ona pomagala, Sara?
Je, nego šta.
A moj Mate je meni da vidiš kad budeš na videu. Meni je Mate pomagao.
The competitors are hanging out while we wait for our cakes to rise a little bit. Dede, šta mislite kako će biti moj makonjača?
Ne znam ništa dok ne vidim. Ništa ne mogu.
Ali imate povjerenje u meni.
Povjerenje ja imam u tebe, zašto ne bi imao povjerenje u tebe? Kao jednu mladu kuharicu, mladu majku koja se trudi za sebe, svoju dječicu, sve kraj svekru i tako dalje i tako dalje.
Ajde,
A
super.
kad bude gotovo, onda ćemo vidjeti.
Može.
Onda ćemo, hoće li prst biti gori ili će biti ovako.
Nadam se da će biti ovako.
Budemo vidjeti.
Time to put the rolls in the oven after waiting for an hour for them to rise.
Spremne, velike. Ovo će biti za susjede.
Aj, i što misliš da ćeš pobijediti?
Ne znam, vola bi da Sara pobjedi, iskreno, meni vidit ćemo.
Zašto?
Pa tako, pa onaj prvi put je pravi, znaš kak ti, onda bi imala volju.
They don't look professional, but for a first timer, I think they're okay. Set the timer for 40 minutes, and then we can let them cool and get on with the best part of this evening, trying them.
Pa ja mislim da je to gotovo.
It definitely does not look like it should look, but it's not how it looks that matters. It's how it tastes. Is that right?
That's right.
So, this is just like the ugly duckling. How does Bacchus look downstairs? A little bit different than this? I think one problem was, I think I just didn't turn it enough to put the rest of the flap like kind of underneath. Because the top part, it looks like it should kind of, like this part. This is where it goes wrong. But I think that if I were to have pulled the dough over more, just turned it a little bit, and just had this flat part as a top, I think it would have looked a lot better.
Bacchus looks much more different.
How does Bacchus look?
It looks kind of like Sirna.
It looks a little bit dark.
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh.
But it's normal to be. And it's not like this, open.
It's not open like that?
Uh-uh.
How is Bacchus? More like closed together? Yeah. Whose looks yummier?
I think you're wrong. I think mommy's. That's why I love mommy.
Ollie, what do you think? Whose looks better? Whose looks better? Doesn't matter about taste, whose looks better?
Mommy. What?
You're so cute. You're so sweet. Thank you for the support, sweet girl. My sweetie pie. So cute. She doesn't want to offend me. You're so sweet, Ollie. I love you so much.
I love you so much.
Mwah.
Can you cut me one?
Yes. Should we try it? We are going to go down now. And I'm going to bring one roll down. We're going to go try both rolls and see how we like them and see if they measure up to each other. So let's go find out. It takes us a long time to get to Bacchus' house, right, Mate?
Yeah.
How long does it take to get to Bacchus' house?
30 minutes.
30 minutes. Let's go see how long it takes us.
I actually think 10.
Oh my gosh, we're at Bacchus' house already.
Oh.
No, we already back to the house.
No, we're already at Bacchus' house. Okay.
Mama.
Bacchus, kako vam ide? O, nisam stavila šećer. Ne mogu. Sad ćemo sve rezati, sad ćemo sve probati i sad ćemo mi ocijeniti jel tako baka.
Evo.
O, pa super izgleda.
Mogu ja probat?
Evo.
O, to je jako dobro
A
izgleda.
dobro je to.
Ma,
Kako sam ja
svaka čast.
vidjet ćeš se, kako sam ja mislila da će mi biti. Još znaš šta, vruće su još.
A znam.
Fino ispekla. Samo kažem, drugi put ćeš malo drugčije.
Da. To the table? How is it?
Good. Good.
What's up, Fifi?
Let mama.
You don't like it? No.
Baka says.
Aj, sad
Is
ćeš...
it thumb up, thumb side, thumb down? I doubt it. Oh, is it good? Than me. Is it really good? Yeah? Both of them are good?
2 thumbs up.
Gore ili dole? Gore.
Jedno i drugo.
Stvarno dobro. Yeah, it's amazing. It's like nice dough.
Yeah?
And bakina?
Familiar taste of your mom's old naklonjača. Baka, jeste zadovoljni?
Jesam. Mislim, moglo i... Ti za tvoje prvi put je super je. A ja već puno puta pravim, mogla sam i bolje. Evo i
Ma, mogu sam i ja bolje, ali...
dobro je, za prvi put tvoja je meni baš je ono, ja sam...
Bi rekla koja je boja?
Ajde, da.
Ajde.
Ajde. 2 ovakve. Baka.
A, srce. Oba,
O, super.
Merry Christmas, everybody.
They wish you all the best in 2022.
Wish you best in 2022.
Say happy holidays.
Happy holidays. Happy holidays. There's one Christmas song.
What's one Christmas song?
Walking around the Christmas tree. Have a happy holidays.
Very good, Max. Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.